Hello, my name is Byron Peary, and I'm the coordinator of the Explore Tennessee Agricultural Mobile Classroom. This classroom was carefully researched and designed as part of the Ag in the Classroom initiative. It is available to anyone working with 4th through 8th grade students who is looking for an engaging, hands-on learning experience. As part of my role with Tennessee Farm Bureau, I bring the mobile classroom directly to your classroom or event, set everything up, and guide students through the interactive activities that support a wide range of Tennessee academic standards. Students leave feeling inspired, excited about agriculture, science, and STEM, and with a better understanding of how agriculture connects to their everyday lives. The Smart TV is connected to a hard drive inside the mobile classroom that's loaded with computer games about ecology, soil, chemistry, and agriculture. The front room of the mobile classroom is home to many different interactive games and displays. There is a display about Tennessee forestry, no-till and soil, an agricultural commodity display, a trivia game, and even a map of Tennessee showing its major cities, rivers, and neighboring states. A one-of-a-kind interactive GMO chromosome model is neatly tucked in the front of this room. In the back of the mobile classroom is one of the most popular parts of the unit. There are 8 sets of virtual reality goggles with 6 virtual reality videos to choose from. These videos place the student at the epicenter of a scene in our nation's largest industry. To have the mobile classroom come to your school, head to tnfarmbureau.org. There you'll find a place to click on the mobile classroom and be able to fill out a request form. I'm confident that you'll be glad that you did. I look forward to working with you and your students. I hope to see you soon.